Hello there. We all in the Angular community are very shocked by the breaking changes that have appeared with the new Angular 16 version. If not you, at least me, because this new version will enforce us to change our mental schema in many things. It's not a completely different framework, but I've struggled these days trying to find tutorials on how many things change, because still there aren't many. Like if you try to find things, you will be directed to the old way of doing things. And let's be honest, some things will change significantly. And this video will focus on how we'll change the routing. Okay, so I have here an Angular 16. You see 16 here, and I'll prepare this a little bit. Okay, I'll destroy this. H1, hello world. Here we have the router outlet. Okay, I will create two components, standalone components, right? Here, ng generate C from components. I'm here, down on the right. Home. And now the dash standalone equal true. Okay, to indicate Angular that has to create it standalone true. If I don't do it like this, don't worry, it can be changed. Like we can go directly to the component and add the properties in the decorator of the component, but let's do it properly. Okay, I have the home component, and now I'll have another page called login, right? And here we have the two components. Which is the difference? The line 6 and 7, okay? That you can see the difference, that we have this imports, that is like the component that it's managing the model by himself, and the standalone true. The same for the login. Remember, if you forgot to put the dash standalone, you only need to add these two lines and remove that component from the app modules, and then everything works the same. Right, let's go to the routes, and we will start with the eagerly loaded routes. And the good news is that nothing changes. Okay, so I will pause the video and I will prepare it. So I have it here. The login and the home, and this change. Great, it's working, nothing changed. So let's go to the next, to the lazy loaded routes, which of course are the most used. And here there are small changes, very, very small changes. Okay, so the path, and this is the same, load component, right? Until here is all the same. We have to prepare this function. Import, we need to find this is the login component dot then. Okay, I don't know if you saw the differences. Some of you might have noticed, some of you might have not noticed the small subtle difference. I'll prepare it first. Login, and this is the home. Let's see first if it works. That it should work. Home component, home.component, here, sorry. Okay, you see home and login. Okay, it works. Which was the small difference? Well, first of all, we don't need this, of course, because it's loaded through the import. And the only difference is that since the standalone component, it's managing by himself all the modules and all of this, we don't need to load the module. We can load that. We must load directly the component. And so if you remember, before this was something like this, right? And then login module, something like this, right? So now it's not necessary. Now we can call directly to the component. So it's not a big deal, small difference, but just keep it in mind. I will make some more videos of these changes that also help me, and I hope it helps the community. See you.